Hi, welcome back. So we are getting to the end of this paper pad. Yay! It's been a great journey though. Feels good to use it up. And I think this will be the last little embellishment I make with scraps. And then I'm going to put all the tags and stuff in the books and then do a little flip through of how they all turned out. Okay, so this one, you can see I've made a few already, but I was making little matchbook types of little pieces of paper that you can either, jot a note on or rip off and add in the journal. Just use the little book as journaling. I just thought it was kind of a fun little addition, some book pages. Super simple for these. All I did is fold over its top, add some papers and staple. So I have different sizes. Yeah, kind of fun. One thing you have to be careful of, like this one's a little too thick. If you're using the tiny attacher, the Tim Holtz tiny attacher or stapler, you want to make sure that you don't get it too thick so that the staples will go all the way through. So there's those. And then I made just like a little book like this where the pages are stapled on this side. And then I also have some matchbooks. Same idea. I just folded the flap up so it will tuck under, and then in the matchbook there's the paper. So I saved a couple just really quick to show you. So all I did is fold this over whatever width you want, and then before you trim this edge off, you want to make sure that it can tuck under and have enough room for your staples. So then after that, you want to take some papers. You can make sure they're all exactly the same if you want, or different color, or different, not colors, but sizes. I make sure that it's right side up. And then what I did is I just kind of put them in here, and then I trimmed off the excess to make it kind of fit. And then you want to staple near the top of the little matchbook so that this flap can tuck under. There we go. On this one, I just added a simple embellishment. You could add a sticker or decorate it however you want, or just leave it simple. So that's that. And then for this one, same idea. You just put in some extra papers that you have. Kind of arrange them the way you want them to be. Kind of like that. And then same thing, staple. Super fun and a fun way to use up some scraps. Yeah, and those would be cute. Tucked in a tuck spot in the journal, so they could go maybe in the front cover. That's kind of fun. Or like in here. That's kind of fun. So yeah, you get the idea, right? So fun. Okay. So then I wanted to show you what I have left over. I think I did pretty well. Okay, so I have all those to put in my journals. And then I still have all of these that I need to put in journals that I made in the last video, all these tags. This is a lot. And then I have these. Some of these die cuts are also still going to go in the journal. But these are my scraps that I didn't use. I feel like I did a pretty darn good job using this paper pad. I have no remorse or regrets to throw these bits of scraps away. So I have those, and then I have this, and then I have some lace that I need to still probably use somehow. But yeah, These little bits are probably going to go in the recycle. I'm okay with that. I actually want to keep these. Using a different project. I could probably make tuck spots or, not tuck spots, but, banners. But I'm going to be honest, I don't think I am. I think these are, this pile, I am saying I'm done. I did it. I'm calling it a success. So yeah, all right. I think, and it was really fun to have you kind of craft along or watch along with me as the project unfolded. I do think I want to do this again because it really does give a nice sense of accomplishment. It's a great way to use up your stash. It's really fun. I think the next one though, I might do journals plus. Maybe I've been really wanting to make a pocket letter or some friend mail, like an envelope friend mail kind of thing. So I think that's kind of what I'm going to do in the next one. And then I have that other one that I got recently at Tuesday morning. I'm mulling that one around, how I want to do that one. So I'm not ready to do that yet, but I'm going to pick another paper pad. Okay, come back for the very final part of this series, which will be a quick little flip through of the journals. All right, thanks so much for watching. Bye-bye.